I was attracted to recruitment through the different career prospects. There's lots of different routes you can go down in recruitment, whether it be looking to become a principal or a director of a company, or be a team leader, which is the background that I've actually got. I've got transferable skills that I brought into recruitment as well, and I knew that I could bring that to my career path. TXM Recruit is an amazing company to work for in that sense as well. They knew that I didn't have recruitment experience, but they were able to offer me a lot of training and development. Tracy, Shrina and my personal managers as well, they've just been amazing. They know exactly how to sort of treat a trainee and to get them started within their recruitment career. So I've recently finished the British Institute of Recruiters course that I've done. The course was fantastic. I started from the first week that I started within recruitment, and every single week it helped me learn a new parts of recruitment that you wouldn't even necessarily know exist. It helped me massively with the skills that I already had, such as time management, lots of different tips and tricks of how you can manage your time better, and that's definitely something that I use on a daily basis. I've also picked up a lot about interpersonal skills, how to talk to people, how to talk to different types of people, and sort of read situations a little bit better as well. And I guess another really important skill set that I've learned as well, and something that I think the best recruiters do every single day is set personal goals for themselves, whether they be the goals and targets that are set by the company, or whether they just be personal goals that they've set every hour, every day, every week for themselves. And that's something that I now do myself as well. I think that builds into the time management. You're able to see what you're doing, be focused on it, and that's definitely what the top billers do within recruitment. They know exactly what they're aiming for, and they know how they're going to get there as well.